Welcome to Holistic Wellness 24/7. In today's video, we explore how to transform your energy, mind, and reality holistically in 24 hours from 3D to 5D. By the end of the video, you'll have a clear roadmap to improve your life view. So let's get started on your journey to better health and wellness. 1 day to 5D. Transform your energy, mind, and reality. What if I told you that you could shift your entire reality, your energy, mind, and perspective into a higher state of consciousness in just 1 day? Sounds impossible, right? But what if I also told you that this transformation is grounded in ancient practices, sound science, and a shift in how we perceive reality itself? In this video, I'm taking on the challenge. Can we raise our vibration and move closer to a 5D state in just 24 hours? Let's dive into the 12 transformative actions that just might make the impossible possible. The first step on our journey to 5D starts right now with a conscious connection to the earth. As you wake up, find a place outside and step onto the earth with your bare feet. Feel the grass, the soil, the sand beneath your feet. Take a moment to truly be present in your body, feeling the solidity and stability of the ground beneath you. As you stand there, grounded and present, take a deep breath and set your intention for the day. Today I align with 5D consciousness, releasing old limitations. Repeat it again, feeling the truth of those words resonating within you. This simple act of grounding and intention setting is so powerful because it sets the energetic foundation for the entire day. As we move through our day, it's important to remember that our bodies are powerful vessels of energy. Water, in its purest form, is one of the most potent energy conductors on this planet. Before you take your first sip of water today, hold the glass in your hands, close your eyes, and visualize a radiant white light flowing from your heart into the water. As you do this, repeat the affirmation. This water energizes every cell in my body, aligning me with the frequency of love, abundance, and joy. Believe in the power of your intention. You're literally transforming the energy of the water you're about to consume. For an added energetic boost, consider adding slices of lemon or fresh herbs like mint or basil. Breath is life. It is the essence that connects us to the universe and to our inner selves. It's the bridge between our physical bodies and our energetic bodies, creating a harmonious balance. And through conscious breathing techniques, we can literally shift our state of being, raising our vibration to align with 5D consciousness, a state of higher awareness and connection. Today, we'll explore two powerful breathing practices, box breathing and circular breathing, both designed to elevate your state of mind and body. Find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably, free from distractions. Close your eyes and let's begin this journey inward. For box breathing, inhale deeply for a count of 4, feeling the air fill your lungs completely. Hold for a count of 4, allowing the energy to settle within you. Exhale slowly for a count of 4, releasing all tension and stress, and hold again for a count of 4, feeling the stillness within. Repeat this cycle for 10 minutes, focusing on the rhythm of your breath and the calm it brings. Next, we'll move into circular breathing, a technique that promotes continuous energy flow. Inhale deeply, drawing that energy up from your root chakra, up your spine and over your head, feeling the life force within. As you exhale, guide the energy down the front of your body, returning to your root chakra, completing the cycle. Continue this circular flow of breath for another 10 minutes, maintaining a steady rhythm, visualizing golden light surrounding you with each inhale, enveloping you in peace and tranquility. In order to fully embrace the high vibrational energy of 5D consciousness, we need to create space by releasing anything that no longer serves us. This includes limiting beliefs, negative thought patterns, and suppressed emotions that are holding us back. Journaling can be an incredibly powerful tool for self-reflection and release. Take some time to sit quietly with your journal and ask yourself, what emotions or beliefs are no longer serving me? What am I ready to let go of? Don't censor yourself. Allow whatever arises to flow freely onto the page. As you write, acknowledge the emotions that come up. Feel them fully without judgment, and then visualize yourself releasing them. These physical acts of release can be incredibly liberating, allowing us to move through stuck energy and create space for something new. Our minds are powerful creators. What we focus our attention on, we give energy to. And through the practice of visualization, we can literally plant the seeds of our desires, allowing them to take root in the fertile ground of our subconscious minds. For this meditation, find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, releasing any tension or stress. Now, imagine yourself living in a world that vibrates at the frequency of 5D consciousness. What does it look and feel like? Perhaps you see yourself surrounded by loving, supportive people. Maybe you're effortlessly creating abundance in all areas of your life. Or perhaps you feel a deep sense of inner peace and joy that permeates every aspect of your being. Don't just see it, feel it. Engage all your senses. Every time we eat, we have the opportunity to nourish our bodies on a physical and energetic level. The food we consume carries its own vibrational frequency, and by making conscious choices, we can raise our vibration through the food we eat. For today's 5D challenge, I invite you to enjoy a nutrient-dense, high-vibe meal consisting primarily of raw, plant-based foods. Fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are all excellent sources of life force energy. As you prepare your meal, be present with the process. Wash your produce with care, chop your vegetables with intention, and visualize infusing your food with love and light. Eating with awareness is a powerful act of self-love and a beautiful way to connect with the life force energy within our food. Nature is our greatest teacher, offering lessons in patience, resilience, and harmony. It is a constant reminder of the interconnectedness of all things and the powerful energy that flows through us all, connecting every living being in a delicate balance. Spending time in nature is a deeply restorative practice that allows us to reconnect with our true essence and align with the natural rhythms of the earth. It helps us find peace and clarity amidst the chaos of daily life. Find a peaceful spot in nature, a park, a forest, a beach where you can simply be present. Take a walk, sit beneath a tree, or just breathe in the fresh air. Lie down in the grass and gaze up at the clouds, letting your mind wander and your body relax. As you connect with nature, allow yourself to truly be present in the moment. Notice the vibrant colors, the soothing sounds, and the refreshing scents that surround you. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze playing with your hair. Listen to the melodious birds singing, the leaves rustling in the wind. Allow yourself to feel this profound connection, to draw strength, wisdom, and tranquility from the natural world around you. The heart is much more than just a physical organ. It's a dynamic living part of us that plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. It's an energetic center, a powerful generator of electromagnetic energy that radiates outward, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and interactions with the world around us. This energy can be felt and even measured. When we cultivate heart coherence, we shift into a state of energetic alignment where our thoughts, feelings, and actions are in harmony. This state of coherence can lead to improved mental clarity, emotional stability, and overall health. To begin this meditation, find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Ensure that you are in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Take a few deep breaths, releasing any tension in your body. Feel the stress melting away with each exhale. Now bring your attention to your heart center, the space in the middle of your chest. Imagine a warm, glowing light emanating from this area. Place your hand over your heart if you wish, and begin to focus on feelings of love, gratitude, and appreciation. Let these positive emotions fill your entire being. Think about someone or something you love deeply and allow those feelings to well up within you. Let the warmth of these emotions spread throughout your body. Feel your heart expanding with each breath. Visualize this light growing stronger and more radiant with every inhale and exhale. Sound is vibration. Everything in the universe vibrates at a specific frequency, and our bodies are no exception. When we expose ourselves to certain frequencies, we can actually shift our own vibrational state, promoting healing and alignment. There are specific frequencies like 432 Hz and 528 Hz that are believed to have particularly powerful healing properties. Find a comfortable position where you can fully relax and let go. You can either lie down or sit with your spine straight. Close your eyes and begin to listen to the sounds. Allow the sound to wash over you, penetrating your entire being. Visualize the sound waves moving through your body, releasing any tension, stress, or negativity. Imagine yourself being bathed in a cleansing light, restoring your energy and bringing you back into alignment. Kindness is contagious. When we act with kindness, we not only uplift others, but we also raise our own vibration, creating a ripple effect that extends far beyond ourselves. And the beautiful thing about kindness is that it doesn't have to be a grand gesture. Small, simple acts can be just as powerful. Today, I challenge you to perform at least 3 random acts of kindness throughout your day. Pay for someone's coffee, offer a genuine compliment, help a stranger carry their groceries, or simply lend a listening ear to someone who needs it. As you go about your day, look for opportunities to spread kindness like confetti. These small acts may seem insignificant, but they can make a world of difference in someone's day. Gratitude is the antidote to negativity. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we shift our perspective from a place of lack to a place of abundance. As you wind down for the evening, take some time to reflect on your day and write down at least 10 things you're grateful for. These could be big or small, from the roof over your head to the warm cup of tea in your hands. Perhaps you're grateful for the laughter you shared with a loved one, the beautiful sunset you witnessed, or the delicious meal you enjoyed. Allow yourself to truly feel the gratitude in your heart. As you write, visualize how your life is shifting. Sleep is a sacred time for rest and rejuvenation. It's an opportunity to clear away the energetic debris of the day and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. By incorporating high-vibe practices into our sleep routine, we can enhance the quality of our sleep and wake up feeling more aligned with our highest selves. Create a calming atmosphere in your bedroom. Dim the lights, diffuse some lavender essential oil, and create a sense of peace and tranquility. Before you get into bed, take a few moments to practice some gentle stretches or restorative yoga poses. As you lie in bed, bring to mind the intention you set at the beginning of the day. Today, I align with 5D consciousness, releasing old limitations. Visualize yourself surrounded by a healing light as you drift off to sleep. If you're ready to transform your life and align with higher consciousness, hit that subscribe button for more videos on energy healing, mindfulness, and spiritual growth. I post content designed to guide you on your journey to 5D living, so don't miss out. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and comment below your thoughts. Let's rise together, one step, one day, one vibration at a time. Please also check out my daily community posts for insights into how to enhance your holistic wellness. I'll see you in the next video.